Hey everyone, I'm Kate from Foyr and welcome back to our channel. So today we're diving into a topic that literally changes the way you see your home, how lighting affects paint colors. Now if you've ever painted a room and thought, wait a minute, why doesn't this color look like it did in the store? You're not alone. It's not you, it's the lighting. Don't worry though. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick the perfect paint color for your space. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics. Light is energy, and it travels in waves. When light hits a surface, like your wall, some wavelengths are absorbed and others are reflected. The colors we see are those reflected wavelengths. Crazy, right? And here's the kicker. Different types of light can make the same color look completely different. So that perfect shade of blue you loved in the store, yeah, it might look like a totally different color once you get it on your walls at home. Let's talk about natural light. It's the most dynamic source of light because it changes throughout the day. In north-facing rooms, the light is cooler and indirect. Light colors can look muted but darker. Warmer shades really shine. South-facing rooms get tons of warm sunlight. Light colors look super vibrant here and dark colors can feel less heavy. East-facing rooms? Bright and warm in the morning, but cooler as the day goes on. Warm tones work great here to keep the space inviting all day. And for west-facing rooms, mornings are cooler, but evenings, that golden hour glow can make everything look warm and rich. It's like nature's Instagram filter for your home. But what happens when the sun goes down? That's where artificial light steps in. Incandescent bulbs give off a warm yellowish glow. Great for cozy vibes, but they can make cool colors look a bit off. Fluorescent lights lean cooler with a bluish tint. They're ideal for modern spaces, but can make warm tones feel washed out. LED lights are the chameleons of the lighting world. You can choose warm, cool, or neutral tones depending on the mood you want. And halogen lights? They're closest to natural daylight, perfect for showcasing true-to-life colors. Here's a pro tip. Always test your paint colors under the lighting you'll actually be using. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Now, it's not just the lighting that affects your paint color. The finish, matte, eggshell, satin, or gloss, also plays a big role. Matte finishes absorb light, making colors appear darker. Satin and semi-gloss finishes reflect more light, so colors look brighter. And glossy finishes? Well, they're like mirrors for your walls. They really make colors pop, but they also highlight imperfections. So, if you're going for something bold, maybe think twice about using gloss on textured walls. Okay, so how do you actually choose the right color for your space? First, get paint samples and apply them directly to your walls. Observe them at different times, morning, afternoon, evening, and with different lights on. And don't just use tiny swatches. Go big! Paint a large section of the wall to really see how it looks. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. Use bulbs that complement your paint color. Warm bulbs for warm tones, cool bulbs for cool tones. It's a game changer. Now let's talk about what not to do. Don't ignore your lighting conditions. Always consider both natural and artificial light. Don't rely on tiny paint chips. They can be misleading. And whatever you do, don't skip testing the color in your actual space. The store lighting is not the same as your home lighting. Now, if you want to take the guesswork out of choosing paint colors, let me introduce you to Foyr Neo. With this tool, you can visualize your space in 3D, experiment with different paint colors, and even see how they look under different lighting conditions. It's like having a design expert at your fingertips. Honestly, it's a total lifesaver, especially if you're indecisive like me. Alright, that's it for today's video. Lighting can totally transform how your paint colors look, so take the time to test and experiment. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite paint color or lighting tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.